My education research topic is lengthening the school day. I should have known this. What is lengthening the school day? Some people say lengthening the school day is that school day's hours should match the workday for parents, which consists of a 9 to 5 or 8 to 5. That can detail to 8 or more hours in the day instead of its regular 6.5 hours. So instead of the 8 to 4, people want 8 to 6, something like that. Yes. What are some of the yes arguments that people say that make maintaining the day worth it? It matches the parent's schedule. It adds additional instruction time, meaning that teachers have more time to teach the material. That teachers can actually finish a lesson, and that way there will be less homework. And prepare students for the future. Because in college, it doesn't stop at the end of class. No, you have the whole day and everything. And for work too, as well. They'll get out into the real world and work a typical job, and it won't be the same schedule as they were used to. The fact nearly 20,000 students across the U.S. are seeing their classrooms grow significantly larger. 5 states participating in extending the school day, and Boise State University survey found that 68% there you go, statewide support for a longer school day. Who supports this idea? Vice President Kamala Harris and Governor Brett Little. Mind you, when Vice President Kamala Harris supported this idea, she was a senator, and she was the one who introduced a bill that said we should extend the longer school days. Brad Little is a clear activist on long range school days. Just Kamala's more. There it is. No. No reason for the no, people. People say no because the higher cost, it may be higher. Less time for activists, so activist meaning sports, music, art, even tutoring for some kids. Logistic and financial problems for parents. Some parents don't think it's logical for kids to be at school that long, and financial problems for parents because they're gonna have to work. Sometimes they're gonna have financial problems for parents. The fact Chicago Tribune, which reports that not a single study has linked the improved student performance to longer school days. The Nation Education Association estimates that the average additional cost would be around 1,200 per student per year for most school districts, and that's going to add up in the years coming. Who supports the no idea? Teachers' unions, because if teachers have to stay longer, they're going to have to grade longer. The Education Recovery Commissioner, Kevin Collins, this man right here, he supports the idea of school should not be longer. The current status in the U.S. and in Texas. In June of 2019, Texas legislature passed a bill adding 30 additional days for elementary students. So 30 more days for elementary kids to be in school that they're not used to. And the Texas Education Association now requires 75,600 minutes a year, meaning that's the quota of minutes students should be in school and how long they should be in school. And about 520,000 students in the U.S. already attend schools with extended hours. This is already happening. It's not something new. It's been slowly implemented into the school system. My opinion. In my opinion, I believe schools should not lengthen the school day. It would make students tired and burned out. Students will have to stay longer, stay up longer because homework or have to take care of their younger siblings, chores, or heck, even have a job. Students are gonna start feeling the burnt out of having a longer school day. At a young age, they shouldn't be feeling that age, feeling burnt and tired and feeling like they have so much responsibility on their plate because the school is so long. They don't have time to rest, in a sense. And these are the sites I used for my education research. Most of them are school sites. And yeah. So if you go back, taking me a while. Okay. So this is my education research topic about using the school day.